Welcome back to the channel. Are you struggling with clutter in your home? Today, we're diving into 9 ingenious space-saving gadgets that will transform your living space. So let's start. This foldable shelf organizer is easy to assemble with no tools required. The structure is very simple and you only need to spend 5 seconds to install it. Constructed from heavy-duty metal iron, this durable metal shelves each shelf. The foldable storage shelves features 4 professional-grade caster wheels for easy mobility. Foldable metal rack storage shelving for heavier storing and organization. It is great to use in living room, bedroom, kitchen, garage, etc. Blend on the go with the Ninja Portable Blender. With a powerful blending capacity of up to 18 ounces, it effortlessly handles frozen ingredients for perfectly smooth drinks. Available in stylish colors, this blender features a comfortable carry handle and an easy open sip lid for convenient drinking. Cleanup is a breeze, as both the lid and vessel are BPA-free and dishwasher safe, or simply self-clean with a quick blend cycle. Optimize your kitchen space with this sleek aluminum rack designed for efficient storage. Ideal for holding sponges, rags, and other sink tools, it features a self-adhesive backing for easy installation on bathroom or kitchen walls. This versatile organizer also doubles as a cosmetic shelf, keeping your essentials neatly in place while enhancing your space's functionality. Maximize your space with the swivel bike wall rack. This versatile bicycle bracket is designed for easy wall mounting, making it perfect for garages, offices, or any indoor area. The sturdy bike stand features a swivel hook that allows for flexible storage and easy access, keeping your bike securely in place while saving valuable floor space. Keep your bike safe and your space tidy with this practical wall hanger. Foldable invisible bookshelves. This bookshelves allow you to create your space, and you could put a hardcover book at the bottom to hide the shelf. Floating shelves could help you to use wall space, then reach to save space and protect fragile items. The floating shelf also could be used in bedroom, kitchen, bathroom and living room. This versatile pegboard is perfect for organizing and displaying in various settings. Ideal for office spaces, kitchens, and garages, it features a perforated design that allows for customizable storage solutions. Easily mountable on walls or door backs, it offers a practical and stylish way to keep tools, utensils, and accessories neatly arranged and accessible. The 2PCS Telescoping Camping Stool, your perfect companion for outdoor adventures. These collapsible and portable stools are designed for versatility, featuring an adjustable height to suit any situation, whether you're fishing, hiking, or gardening. Lightweight and easy to carry, they fold down for convenient storage and transport. Durable and sturdy, these stools provide comfortable seating wherever you go. The Magnetic Knife Bar. This magnetic knife rack has a fully magnetic surface powered by a strong magnet, allows the magnetic knife holder to instantly hang even your largest knives safely and securely. This magnetic strip has an extended length that allows you to hold more knives than most knife blocks on the market. Maximize your drying space with the Songmix Clothes Drying Rack. This sturdy metal laundry error is foldable and space-saving, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Featuring gull wings for extra support, it provides ample space for bed linens and clothing. Its sleek black design complements any decor, while the freestanding structure allows for easy placement anywhere in your home. Enjoy efficient and convenient drying with this versatile drying rack.